Chairman Badem ka UPSC David Syiemlieh ulayay ban maunoya khon lai lut kajat bin reu khasi Tirot Sing Siem khlem yap satya hapo ka along hadhaka Henry ulayap kum ubriu besha set haki borsen shar kari namar ki daw sanhima sima Uba David ubriu nongwat benya chpang ka history alor ka jing imjong Tirot Sing Siem ulong baka sarkar bilat kalawaya ka yeng ben pensa ya u par ben set bindi u hakani ka yeng Karkum kajing ongjong u im ya kajing im kabasuk bha na baka sarkar pilat kala ithu u kum ubriu basha set hakari namar ki daw sanhima sima haba ajingkran hakajing elang play u moddur Tirot Sing ha Indira Gandhi Cultural Center Dhaka ulo ang kajing wat benia ekisingi bakhat du jong uni unong ya khun dai lut kelas dang na du benai kelalingkot 6000 khandai spa prapundriu Ulo ang bahaka si thi show editor bakhat sau tarik jimmang 6000 pras ba lai pusan haka Friends of India ko ang baka National Library Kolkata ka pentip ba Tirot Sing Siem ulayo e kajing im ka basyong sukbha kumubri u sha set bindi haki bor ka sarkar bilat
Commencing on 4th April 1829 the Anglo-Khasi War was a protracted struggle for over 3 years 1829 to 1833 the Khasis fought the British in what was the freedom struggle in what was the earliest of resistance and freedom struggles in the northeast including in India. The heroic participation of Kapan Nonglai of Nongklao in this struggle has lately caught the attention of the Indian people as one among many women and lesser known freedom fighters from the northeast who participated in India's freedom struggle. After a valiant struggle, Tirot Sing laid down arms in January 1833. At Dhaka, he was treated as an ordinary prisoner but later was placed under house arrest as a state prisoner. Able leader and brave freedom fighter, Tirot Sing attained martyrdom on 17th July 1835. He must have longed to return to the hills. He could not due to the nature of his confinement. He certainly had a sad end, away from his people and family, and hastened by sickness, a tradition tells, that caused his untimely death. A letter to the editor dated 14th May 1835 in the Friends of India, read at the National Library, Kolkata, informed that Tirot Sing was provided comfortable living as a state prisoner at Dhaka. In January 1988, while on a Charles Wallace Research Grant for research at the India Office Library of Records in London, I was fortunate to locate, read and take notes from reports of officials at Dhaka of the passing of the same Tirot Sing. Much further was the Bangladesh State Archives. No clues came from any queries on Tirot Sing at these repositories, other than some information in the archives of the names of prisoners and the daily allowance given to them. The Khasi chief's name was not listed in these records. And I say very clearly that Tirot Sing did not die in jail. He died having been given a bungalow and fairly comfortable living as a state prisoner. Today we recall the life and significant contribution of Tirot Sing to the freedom struggle and his martyrdom for the cause he and his compatriots stood for. His sterling qualities has found expression in many forms, in songs, poetry, drama, films, art and biographies, and the skillful imagination of sculptors as we await the unveiling of another statue and work of art.